Hello everyone, I hope you are enjoying the live. Let's try to create this presentation. If you like this video like this, don't forget to see my channel and please like and subscribe. Okay, let's create it. It's similar with the previous video, but we create a blank space and we copy the picture we have and go to format, background and paste our picture here. And then go to here, picture correction and set the sharpness to -100. And the brightness to -20 is good. A little more, I think it's better. -15 is good. Okay, this thing is good also, pretty good. After that, we copy the picture another time and paste it here. We copy the text. The text is using a simple text. I'm going to tell you how I create this. The text is using this shape format here. You can use whatever you want. I use this. And after using the shape format, it's using Overdrive Sunset as a font. Everything special about it, it's because of its font. We copy this slide, and this slide, we reduce this size to 80 is good. And then we crop this picture to the shape of circle. And then we set the crop to fix it. We reduce it in size. Everything is okay. It's not exactly like what we want. Okay. And then don't forget to ever add the shadows. Shadows is very different, important. Let me just add it. Okay. You see the shadows now. Now just simply copy the text. And after that, we just need to set the transition to morph. And tada, everything has been created. Let's look at this. Pretty beautiful. Okay, if you like this kind of video, don't forget to like and subscribe and ask me if you need anything in the channel. I will help you. Have a nice